These are the inner doors for the BN4, BN6, BN7 and BT7. You get an upper, which are these hardboard pieces, and a lower, which are the millboard pieces, pair of each. The uppers are hardboard, CNC'd out, as you can see. They're done in 3 pieces and then effectively glued back together like so, so that basically when you put them in the car, you can bend them very easily like this. So this goes at the upper point, I believe, and then the lower doors are on millboard. Again, glued all the way around. These have creases in, as you can see from these lines here. So crease, crease, crease. So it makes it a bit easier for you to bend them into the shape in the car. Also, the millboard ones get the stitch line on. So it goes all the way down this edge here, all the way along, and up this edge here. So they basically bend into the car like that, and they do the lower parts of the inner doors. A bit of a fiddle to get into the doors. You really do have to kind of bend them. But luckily the millboard is pre-creased and a flexible material, so not a problem. All CNC'd out on our machine, so millimetre perfect to our patterns. And the glue we use, very, very strong contact adhesive, very heat resistant, so you're not going to have any problems with this peeling back at all. The glue will probably outlast the car. As always, look for the stamp of approval.